Welcome to Jagdamba Education Society's SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yaula, Department of First Year Engineering. Myself, Ansari Ubaid, working as a assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering. As a part of my research work, 13 papers are on record, out of which 12 papers are published in international journal and one paper is in national journal. I also presented one paper in international conference. To have a look of my research work, you can visit to my profile on Google Scholar to have the access of all the details which is showing citation, H index, I-10 index. I will teach the subject engineering mechanics as a part of the curriculum first year engineering Savitribai Phule Pune University. This engineering mechanics subject has total weightage of 125 marks, out of which 100 marks is for theory examination and 25 marks of practical head. 100 marks theory examination is subdivided into two parts, 30 marks for in semester examination and 70 marks for end semester examination. Engineering mechanics subject required the basic knowledge of applied sciences, applied physics and concept of mathematics. University has set up the syllabus to have a specific objectives to impart the knowledge of force system, determination of the centroid, moment of inertia, calculation of the force of friction, analysis of the trusses, beams, cables, frames, and how to apply the principle of equilibrium in different condition, in static conditions as well as in dynamic condition. After learning this subject, the student will able to determine the resultant of various force system. He will able to find the centroid of the irregular bodies, moment of inertia of different shapes, and frictional force acting on the objects which is at rest as well as which is are in motion. After completing this syllabus, a student will have the ability to determine the reactions at the beam supports, internal forces in trusses, forces at the different types of the supports of the frames, and the forces developed due to the loading of cable in different segment. In second part of the engineering mechanics, kinematics and kinetics we will study, and after completing these two broad topics, a student will able to apply the principle of equilibrium to stationary object as well as moving objects, and student will able to calculate the velocity, acceleration, retardation, inter relationship between them. He will able to draw the velocity time diagram, acceleration time diagram and displacement time diagram. At the last, he will able to apply the work energy principle and momentum